Hey guys, welcome back to Slime School. Today I'll be showing you guys two things. I'm going to be showing you guys my slime in my backyard. So like most of my videos will be in my backyard. So just like yeah. Um so I'm also going to be using this thingamabobby. It just helps me like talk louder and for I won't be like yelling too much like in this video. For it'll just be easier because I'm just talking normal on this and it sounds really big. So hope you guys don't mind. So the first thing is my dog. So I have Coco. Then I have Jax. Hi Jaxie. Then I have Carly. Carla. She acts like a cat. Or not like a cat, but like she's so serious. These two Jumpy and Bear, Jax and Coco are boys and Carla with the K is the boy. So the next thing is we have a room back here. No one lives there. Just saying. Then we have like all my dad's stuff. It's weird. And now I'm going to show you guys this special thing in my backyard. I have an underground. No, I have a back of the house. I have this back thing. It's actually really cool. And right here I could like do whatever. So I just going to put this up here and look at my things. So it's actually really cool. Yeah. So like I like to come here and do like a movie thing. It's pretty awesome though. So I think that's pretty much it. Nah, I'm just kidding. So I'm just gonna get out of here. I'm just gonna get out of here and then we'll go do the slime. And now guys, I do not have such a boring backyard. This is my whole backyard. The other part. But I think that's just the usual. Oh, and then it has two guinea pigs. They're both girls. It's Chapa and Yzma. They have two rooms. They're really cool. And I am in flip-flops because it's really hot. So, time for this slime! Alright, so this is, like, I don't think I'm going to be using this for now. So, I'm just gonna really, like, project my voice. But this is my slime. I don't know if it's sticky, though. Oh, it's sticky to the floor. This is my first slime. It's called Sully from Monsters, Inc. It's fluffy slime. Kind of like jiggly slime. Kind of like a glossy slime. So let's do some ASMR. Ooh. Now I am just going to do the press in slime. Oh my god. See my voice, you guys. So now I'm going to do the press in slime. I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys like my whole backyard, like the rest. So I just like showed you guys, but yeah, I was just like, I didn't really want to like go around doing all that stuff. Like, it's like the rest, yeah. So now I'm going to get onto my next slime. Now, next slime I have is this green one. I'm sorry, it's my finger, but like, it's this one. It's called Shrek slime. Shrek slime. This is actually really little. And yes, it does have blue in it. So what I'm going to do, add just a little bit of blue into my green and make a pretty swirl. Well, not so sure about the swirly part, but I really like it because it's like blue. See, it's like really marbly. I don't know if you guys could actually see that. Sorry. But now let's do some ASMR. So that was my Shrek slime. Now let's do some pressing slime. I love to do that. And I like to make a circle. Oh, sometimes it gets stuck because like my slime is like way too cool for this. Kidding, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and like comment down some video suggestions and comment down some notification squad if you guys hit that bell. If you guys hit that bell, I'll make a very, 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 very exciting video for you guys. I get I'll say 11 likes or 20. I will make a very, 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 very special video. And if you guys subscribe and get a bell and comment notification squad, I will be doing something really special for you guys. Don't feel bad for my dogs. They like they like to live there because like they're not trapped in there forever. Like I take them out, play with them, take them to a dog park. So it's like they're there for like half a day. Like I take them in the mornings, and then at 5, and in the middle of the day. Don't worry, guys. Okay, and sorry for this. I scratched myself. Knee slapper. So yeah, I told you guys I will do a very, very, very special video, and I will be giving out slime. If you guys subscribe and do all that stuff. Bye.